Ravi Kumar sir is here. Good evening, sir. Mr. Govardhan Reddy, sir. Good evening. Good evening. So today we are in a very important webinar entitled Enrich Students LSRW Skills through ICT Tools. I hope you are aware of ICT tools. You might have used ICT tools. Here I'm going to share how we can use the common ICT tools which can assist us, which can enrich us to empower the LSRW skills of our students. We'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. I thank Ravi Kumar Kola sir for organizing this great webinar. Thank everyone for spending your valuable time here. I hope people are joining one by one slowly.
Hello.
Hello, I have muted all the participants. After webinar, we shall discuss. From Maharashtra, happy to see people have joined from Maharashtra, Kalakonda, Telangana,
Good evening.
Kolkata. See how the ICT tool has joined us. It has a great conference.
Madam, good evening.
We have never met before, but it is a great opportunity to meet you all. We have got contacts.
Priya, madam, good evening.
Slowly people are joining one by one. Has joined.
Madam, good evening. I am Ravi Kumar.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Let me please wait. I shall make you as co-host.
Sir, I request the teachers to mute their video and audio so that it will be convenient for others. Devasandra, sir. So please mute your video.
Hello.
Madam.
Hello. Kumar sir,
The
please
option is
post
madam.
privately.
Okay, thank you, madam, for making me host. Sir, I request the teachers to kindly mute their video, please, so that
Okay. Participants slowly joining. 70. The number increases. 73. A
yes,
great
yes,
number in
madam.
this fine evening. Dear participants, if this webinar ends, please don't go away. I will be back. You have to sign in again with the same user ID and password. I hope the session will start with this number of 80. I shall share the screen now. Welcome, sir. Sambat, sir. Welcome. Uh, 84, the participant list is. I hope my screen is visible now to all of you. Is this visible?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay. We shall start the session. Almost time is on 3. Great
Madam,
number 83, 84. Okay.
Still they will join, madam.
So
Still they
kindly
are.
have scribble pad and pen with you. If you do not have 2 gadgets, it will be highly helpful to remember what are the ICT tools we are going to discuss today through this free webinar organized by ELTA.
Madam, shall we start with
Yes,
introduction?
sir. Sir.
Okay. Good evening, all. I welcome you to the 4th webinar conducted by English Language Teachers Association Telangana. As you are all aware that ELTA Telangana is committed for the professional development of teachers of English. To utilize the time perfectly during this pandemic situation, we are organizing this series of webinars. I feel privileged to introduce today's webinar presenter, Mrs. C. Priya. I also extend my heartfelt thanks for readily accepting our invitation, though of our hectic schedule. This is the 19th webinar conducted by her in this lockdown period. She is a stalwart in ICT, presently working as an assistant professor in the Department of English and Foreign Languages, Periyar Maniamma University, deemed to be University Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. She has submitted her PhD thesis on effective utilization of ICT tools in English language, teaching classes with reference to undergraduate professional education. She has 12 years of teaching experience. She has published 13 research papers in various reputed national and international journals and completed 45 online MOOC courses and Russian language level 2 in 2016, including English language teaching and Indian writing in English. Her achievements include Best Mentor Award in the year 2019 from PM University Tamil Nadu for guiding students to publish research articles, books, and completing MOOC courses. She has published 3 books, published 3 research articles with ISBN, guided nearly 350 students to complete 1200 massive open online courses. Her interests include creating e-content using paid software, namely iSpring Presenter 7, and publishing e-notes via blogs and YouTube channels. To sum up regarding her in one line, she is be simple, be a sample. She is always in the forefront of rendering her services to English fraternity irrespective of the region. More lines are there to add regarding her, but because of time constraint, I couldn't. Now I request Priya Madam to start her presentation on enrich students LSRW skills through ICT tools. Thank you, Madam.
Thank you, sir, for your introduction. But I do my job. Whatever happens, I do my job. Simply doing my job. Expect nothing back. So I have spent nearly 10 hours and above to prepare this presentation to share my knowledge with my teaching fraternity. I hope the strength is full. Such a great
Yes,
evening
madam.
today it is. So Ravikumar Kola sir, Ravikumar Kola sir had attended 2 of my webinars already. He had requested through mail to organize a webinar for his teaching fraternity, especially fraternity of Telangana, those who are coming under YELTA Association. I thank you all for your full present here. Yeah, it's a century. It's a great webinar. I start the webinar. Okay, welcome you all. Welcome you all for this great webinar. See, this is my 19th webinar. This is 19th free webinar. 21 days I have organized. Our webinar today is enrich students' LSRW skills through ICT tools. So I take this opportunity to simply introduce myself. I am just an assistant professor in Department of English, PMIST. It is a deemed to be university. I have completed a lot of online courses. So using the same, I am sharing my knowledge here. I extend my hearty welcome to all the participants. I hope this COVID-19 has made us to stay home. I hope you all are stay safe, or doing your responsibilities as a good citizen, supporting your government from where you are. And it shows your great interest. You never stop learning. This is the great success of a teacher for sustainable employability, I suppose. You never stop learning. See the counting here, 100, it has reached a centum. Great. Okay, the agenda we are going to discuss, I'm enlisting here. Introduction, objectives of this webinar, importance of ICT in ELT, ICT tools, fourth topic. I will be introducing 4 ICT tools which you may be aware of, but how we can incorporate in teaching learning process. Then etiquettes for teachers. Etiquettes and suggestions followed by conclusion. This is our agenda, webinar agenda. I request one participant who has scribbled in the monitor, please erase. Someone has scribbled. See, I have spent a lot of time. Someone has scribbled here. Okay. So we shall move to the agenda 1. Introduction. Introduction has a lot of questions before us. Why ICT tools in English language teaching classes? A lot of people have asked me, why ICT tools for English language teaching fraternity? Why do you do so? This is not your business. Your business is teaching a language. What a language teacher does, simply teaching grammar. Any teacher can teach grammar. See, this kind of feedback will really make you upset. But we should not keep these things in our mind. We are in the scenario to prove ourselves by using ICT tools. So the transmission in teaching learning process happens globally. We can't deny. Especially during this pandemic period, transmission, a great change happens in teaching learning process. So only we are here, we are united through Zoom. Just a second, someone is. Okay. Yes, during this pandemic period, students face deficit. They don't read, they don't listen, they never find time to discuss on academic topics. This is why we use ICT tools like Zoom, Google Meet, I see a lot of platforms for conducting webinars, Google Classroom, Edmodo. So students are distracted with the social media posts. This is the third point I wish to address. When we address them with positive impacts, they really will show keen interest to listen to us. And the fourth one is learning in a new era has widened its scope. If you are thank you. I started already, so it did cut. Sorry, network problem. Okay. Is this visible now? Is this visible now?
Yeah, it's visible, ma'am.
Please type yes. Is this visible? The screen is visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam, can you zoom the screen?
Okay, I shall continue.
Madam, can you zoom?
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, so the ICT tools in teaching learning process does not end with the webinar here. This is the future of teaching learning process. So remember that this is not only the future of teaching learning process, this is our future also. You can create your own blog, you can create your own social network platform, you can create your own website, you can create your own e-content. How easily we can create e-content. People feel panic when they are assigned to create e-content. But after learning these ICT tools, you won't be feeling panic. I shall give you tips finally. Agenda 2 discusses objectives of this webinar. So before organizing any webinar, we have to plan very carefully whom we are going to address, what we are going to address. After the completion of webinar, what may be the impacts we expect, like a speaker simply engaging students, simply engaging audience, and afterwards forgetting good things, it doesn't matter. But here my responsibility is, if I carry out some topic, if I present a topic, you people have to apply in your teaching learning methodology. This is what I expect from my students also. I'm always my audio is there.
Yes, it's there.
Yes, madam.
My
We can
purpose
hear you.
here
We
is
can hear you.
always to
Madam,
teach
please kindly make me host.
objectives.
Madam, Priya, madam, sorry for the interruption. Please make me as a host so that I can manage the things here.
People keep on typing. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
please, I
Okay,
request-
continue. So please
Okay.
don't scribble in the monitor.
Scribble.
See, it
I
shows
request,
me.
I request teachers please not to
I
scribble on
couldn't
the
present
monitor.
well. It is a recording. Someone scribbles, please erase. The one particular person is doing so. Objectives I have listed here. 5 objectives. The first is to identify ICT tools to empower LSRW skills of the students. Our first job is to identify. It may be a simple one. We need to identify. And first, we have to learn the importance of transforming teaching learning methodology. Never going with the ICT tools is not a good thing. Why the participants, someone is asking question, why the participants are not connecting without video? Yeah, no problem. No problem, sir. Leave it. Please listen to the webinar. The third objective is to facilitate students. We teaching fraternity, we need to call ourselves not teachers. We are here as facilitators. We have to facilitate students. They are our stakeholders. They are our stakeholders. They are our customers. They have to be showing interest to attend our English classroom. They should not bunk. So we have to act as facilitators to students to improve their communication skill. This is what their parents expect, management expects, and incorporate the possible number of ICT tools to improve LSRW skills. If I share 4 ICT tools, you no need to use all the 4 ICT tools for particular single class. You can use one tool for one class, 2 tools for another class, all the four tools for the higher education or 11th, 12th students. People have to decide. So please incorporate possible number of ICT tools to improve LSRW skills. And by the way, by following all the above 4 objectives, please share and enrich students' LSRW skills through ICT tools. The final is the topic, final objective. Agenda 3, the importance of ICT in ELT. See, people still keep on scribbling here. I request you here not to scribble. I have spent my time. Please don't scribble. If you have given your gadget to your kid, please erase, please collect, please erase. It will be disturbing all the other participants also.
Excuse me, madam. Sorry for interruption.
Here it is not showing eraser for me. Not showing eraser.
Excuse me.
ICT tools, a few steps. A baby from the womb itself starts to listen. So to get proficiency in any language, we start with the listening from the 5th month of from mother's womb. After given birth, the baby starts to speak slowly by listening and repeating the same words of the mother, father, grandparents, and relatives. Reading happens after listening and speaking only. No baby starts to read. Slowly, the baby starts to read. So it's only it is designed. Finally, the skill writing occupies its place. So listening, speaking, reading, writing to become proficient, master in any language. This is the step. Step 1, listening. Step 2, enriching speaking. Step 3, reading. Final stage is writing. I hope we are aware as English department faculty. Why ICT? Yes, if we have a LSRW, but why ICT in English language teaching classes? The reason is traditional teaching learning process makes learners boredom. Of course, teachers also feeling boredom, going with the same chalk and blackboard, dictating. At the same time, ICT tools supports both teachers and students. So otherwise, we won't be here. We won't be gathering here. It enhances the knowledge of the students. This is the result. So once you share your material, e-content, supplement content through social network, it provides opportunity to enhance the knowledge of the students. This is what every individual faculty expects. I hope you also believe the same. You will accept the traditional teaching learning process is boredom without ICT. ICT tool supports teacher and students. This is a proved one. So only we are here. Enhances the knowledge of the students. With these 3 things, we move to the next slide. ICT. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. If I know some information, I have to communicate with all the 100 faculty. See, how can I do technology Zoom? to technology PowerPoint. So ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. I hope you know about it. But what is IoT? We need to have a clarification and differentiation between ICT and IoT. IoT is nothing but Internet of Things. What is the difference between ICT and IoT? ICT is a large platform with uncountable ICT tools. Yes, they are sustainable teaching learning process today and tomorrow. Large platform. You can use Zoom, you can use GoToMeeting, you can use Google Meet. Now we expect GeoMeet. You can use any number of platforms to organize meetings. So it is a large platform. You can use any number of tools. But IoT is not a tool. It is a facility, infrastructure, facility of accessing internet everywhere. I can't say that you are in a college. See, so you can call smart homes, smart buildings, smart cities, etc. These are all coming under IoT. Why ICT, especially in English language teaching classes? Because it enhances students' comprehension level. The very important point, valued point it is, it helps to deliver all topics effectively. You see here, I have not dumped in with a number of paragraphs here. I have not made a copy paste here. I'm just presenting powerful points. So it helps to remember the topics by the audience. It helps to deliver all topics effectively. So ICT tools provide open sources. So we can use open sources. When we use ICT tools, it automatically triggers the interest of the students to improve their LSRW skills. At the same time, it facilitates teachers to teach, assess, and evaluate. We no need to worry about chalk and board, test paper, taking the test papers to home. We don't need to worry about. It facilitates teachers to teach, to assess, and evaluate. Helps students to retain their knowledge. If I complete this webinar, naturally you will recall at least 5 to 10 slides since they are providing powerful points only. To helps to retain. Yes, ICT tools. They are acting as one of the motor skills of the faculty. When you are getting familiar using ICT tools, you will keep enjoying using ICT tools. It becomes one of your motor skills,
madam.
Sixth finger, like that eye.
Excuse me.
So it does not replace the teachers who use. Actually, ICT tools never replace teachers. Actually, it replaces the teachers who do not use. So it is for a global threat, and those who do not use ICT will be replaced in future. It's a global threat now. So only we are here to learn ICT tools, and it is mandatory for application oriented teaching process. Listening, we cannot teach theory of listening. We have to allow students to listen. We have to allow students to speak. We have to allow students to read. We have to allow students to write. But with blunder, mistakes or maybe committed, please allow. Please allow. Let them commit. So our task is to provide suggestions, valid comments, guiding them, facilitating them. Why not to use this kind of grammar mistakes? Why to use? So this is our job. So we have to allow our kids to commit mistakes. Now we have completed 3 agenda. Moving to the 4th one, ICT tools, the main agenda of this webinar. I am going to address 4 ICT tools. I hope you are aware. I start with a simple ICT tool, Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a voice recorder, SoundCloud, and Padlet. Okay, I hope you may be aware of these logos. Merriam-Webster is a voice recorder. These two you are familiar with. SoundCloud and Padlet I'm going to address as the new one. ICT tool number 1, the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. I'm going to give you a live demo here. Let me address from another device. Just a second. I join in another device. Someone joined me before me. It is not showing since it has reached above 100 people here. It is not permitting me to use my another device. So I shall open Google Forum. Just a second, please. I'm working here. Okay. See, when my second device does not help me, I check Merriam-Webster dictionary. See here, the Merriam-Webster dictionary will be helping us. How can we use Merriam-Webster dictionary? We can download this. Why do I suggest this dictionary? Is it will be demanding your network to download only. Afterwards, it works offline very well. You can introduce 5 to 10 words daily in the board. You can ask them to read. They may not aware of exact pronunciation. For example, a dictionary, you can find meaning for dictionary in a dictionary. See, how does it say? Dictionary, how to pronounce. So, yeah, dictionary, you can click here. You can disclose, go with your gadget to the classroom. Download, open your Merriam-Webster dictionary. Ask people to notify a number of hard words when what they find in a poem. Please write them in a board and type one by word in your gadget. Allow them ask volunteers to come and read in the podium. So they will come to know when they type in the search box. When they click here and listen, it creates interest among the other learners. The other learners, the entire classroom will be very attentive because they are having hands-on training here. Not only this, so after listening to the exact pronunciation, dictionary. They won't read a dictionary. It is a dictionary. See here, the stress is given here. Stress is given here. I play dictionary, the plural dictionary. So from this platform using a dictionary, they come to know singular, pronunciation, plural, definition, see, synonyms. Synonyms, have we ever referred synonym for a dictionary? Lexicon and word book, vocabulary, glossary. These are the synonyms for dictionary. See, lexicon, word book. These are the synonyms for dictionary. We can show them examples here. This is the first tool we can use in the classroom. None will stop us. The second ICT tool is a voice recorder. Voice recorder. I hope we all are aware of voice recorder. How can we use in classroom voice recorder? How can we get extract assignments online? So it is very easy to access. You no need to feel panic. None will stop you. It is highly user friendly. Students will show interest to submit their assignments online. So if you, when you start to practice this ICT tool number 2, voice recording, it provides them ample number of opportunities to come out with public speaking skills. It allows them to gain self-confidence. So when you assign audio assignments, they will be starting to record a topic. First time, they may commit mistakes. Second time, they will start to record. Third time, fourth time, fifth time, till they feel satisfied, they record. When they feel satisfied, they submit as audio assignments, so easy to access, user-friendly, and improves voice modulation of our students. This is what English language teacher expects. This is the success of any English language teachers. By the way, it enriches LSRW skills. I'm going to share an audio in chat box with you. Let me share my desktop. I have 2 audios. I share here. Please plug in your headphone. Listen to it. Listen to anyone. I leave 1 or 2 minutes time. Yeah, one audio is shared here. Everyone in meeting. It is loading, please wait. This is the online assignment submitted by students of arts, students and engineering. Mr. Atish Karthik has submitted from BBA and Shalini belongs to BTech. Rajesh Kumar sir, okay, we shall discuss later. Rajesh Kumar sir, yeah, we can post your question here. I shall type while others are listening.
Madam, Priya madam. Hello. Madam Priya madam, I am Ravi Kumar. Madam, are you going to extend this webinar again? Hello. Madam, hello. Priya madam. Hello.
Yeah, you can download,
Priya,
sir. I hope you can download.
Madam, Priya madam, I am Ravi Kumar. Hello. Madam, hello.
Sir, I hope you can download. Yeah, of course. It is based upon some Aragya sir. Raj sir is asking, can it be audible to a class of 50 students? Yes, of course. If you need, you have to add a speaker. If you have good set, it will be audible. Just I have shared. It is a technique. It is a technique. Those people used to avail leave, especially for English language teachers when they conduct a class test. So we can conduct an online test like this. We can ask them to read a poem and record in their own voice and ask them to submit. Initially they hesitate, but after submitting the assignment, they really enjoy. Ravi sir, wish to say anything?
Priya madam, are you going to extend again the webinar? Because I think
Ravi sir, your voice is not audible here to me. Please type, Ravi sir.
madam, are you going to extend the time?
Okay, shall I
Again?
move to the next agenda? Next slide.
Oh.
ICT tool number 3. The demo will be there. Yeah, Mr. Srinivas Raj sir is asking one good question. How can we improve writing skills through voice recorder? Yes, if all students submit voice recorder assignments, audio assignments, we can ask all the students to listen 3 recordings of their own classmates. Ask them to listen 3 audio assignments of their own classroom. Ask them to take notes and tell them to submit the next day after 1 week. Yeah, Ravi Kumar sir, I'm continuing.
Okay, madam.
I will be completing today itself. No.
Okay, please. Continue, madam.
I don't know why do you ask any extension. Today I'll complete.
Okay.
Okay, I shall move quickly. Yeah, thank you. Vittal sir is asking one question. Can we use ICT tools effectively for government high school children? For government high school children, if they do not have mobile phones, we no need to bother. So only I already told we are facilitators. So for students who are coming from a rural background, what I used to do is I will ask them to come to my cabin during break time, lunch time, or after class. I will ask them if they prepare. I will provide my gadget, my mobile phone. I will ask them to record. So they enjoy a lot. They have interest, but they do not have a gadget. Gadget we have. We have the gadget. We can facilitate them in front of us. They shall use record and give it back, no problem. So we no need to bother about it is a government high school or a private school. Thank you, Vittal Rao sir. Okay, continue the session.
Thank you, madam.
So by the way, we can improve listening skill. We can ask students to listen 3 of assignments from their own classmates to listen and make them to speak on the others assignments to provide feedback and ask them to read the notes they have taken and allow students to prepare hints, ask them to write for others notes. So this way we can improve all the 4 skills. The next is so here I give you the tip: assign a topic to each and every student. Don't assign same topic. If you are introducing for the first time, same topic for all the students. Second is give them step-by-step instructions very clearly, how to record, when to submit, due date, time. After submission, please listen to the students' audio assignments completely. Without listening the entire audio, don't give feedback. Though they commit mistakes, please give feedback as your suggestions and very politely and positively, because they are doing online assignments for the first time if they come from rural background. As facilitators, we have to keep on motivating children to come out with positive impacts. So we are the facilitators to improve their LSRW skills. It is our responsibility nationally. And ask students to listen any 3 audio assignments of their classmates and take notes for the same. This is what I said already. So we can recall. We can take a screenshot of this slide. I shall wait for 10 seconds. You can take a screenshot. The next slide, next ICT tool is soundcloud.com. The soundcloud.com is an online platform. It is available in app form also. You can download. So you ask your students to read and record a poem if you are engaging literature or school from pre-KG to 12th. You cannot assign them pre-KG or LKG. You have to maintain a cordial relationship with the parents of kindergarten, primary. So in urban, it is possible. For 6th to 12th, you can use this, assign students to read and record a poem. Instruct the students to download the SoundCloud app. It demands your Gmail ID only. You can give this instruction to the students to create a Gmail ID or to access this app through the parents' website, parents' email ID to create an account in SoundCloud app. I'm going to give you a demo here. And inform students to upload, how to upload the recorded audio assignment with the title and student's name. And finally, instruct them after uploading their assignment, they can share the web link through Gmail. The fourth tool is Padlet. It's similar to slide soundcloud.com. It is available both in app form and website. So inform students to download and install again from Play Store. Instruct them the same procedure, creating an account using Google account. So you can assign a lot, you can collect all the assignments in single platform in Padlet. I'm going to give you a demo. Give you one instruction here again, the same instruction. The 40 minutes is about to complete. If it completes, don't be panic. I'll be back with the same user meeting ID and password. I request you all also to be back. So this technique, most of the people do not know. So only we used to end with the 40 minutes webinar. I wish to provide all the information. Wish to give you a demo here. And see here, with a single link in soundcloud.com, you can upload only one file at a time. Through single link, you can upload, you can share only one file. Hello, for all the participants, you can raise questions later. I shall complete the SoundCloud and Padlet. I will answer all your questions. So ask the students to submit assignments through Gmail account or Edmodo or your WhatsApp. If you use SoundCloud and Padlet and Gmail, you don't need to provide your personal number. So a lot of disturbances won't knock your mobile anytime. So we can use ICT tools to facilitate ourselves first of all. We can check later. And the fourth point is within the single link, you can collect audio, video, PPT or YouTube, any form you can collect, single link with 3 assignments. So Padlet allows free version with 3 Padlets. Free version allows to create 3 Padlets only. In single Padlet, you can use any 3 formats here only. We shall have a demo now. For the demo, Arakyara sir, I will share my slides through Ravi Kumar sir. SoundCloud similar to Anchor. Anchor, Mr. Kalagonda Vasanthi, I have not used Anchor. I have used SoundCloud only. Now today I have come to know there is an Anchor. Okay, thank you. Rajesh Kumar sir, you can post your question. I am going to give a demo. Vasanthi sir, so actually how good it is viable for secondary students, our task is to improve communication skill. See, if we do not find time in classroom, we can allow them to come to our cabin, ask them to speak. No problem, nothing wrong in it. If we find barriers are involving, barriers always exist. I'm going to share the slide. I'm going to the page of SoundCloud. Yeah. Going to the page of SoundCloud. I type here. See, actually, I have already created account. SoundCloud.com. I created my account. Once you create your account, it will be sending you verification email ID. Please listen. Please listen. You can type your questions later. Once you create your account in SoundCloud.com, it will be asking you to verify your email. Please check your Gmail inbox to activate your SoundCloud account, or else the mail activation mail will be in your spam box. Yes, all are sending messages privately. Okay, I shall address later. Now I am going to open. See the number of assignments submitted by students Vasigaran, one Mr. Udaya Suryan and Steffi Christie. So now I open Steffi Christie. I copy and paste the link. Let me share it in the chat to everyone. You please click the link.
I post.
Yeah, I have posted the link. Rai Kumar sir. I have posted the link now. Yeah, I have posted now. The SoundCloud.com. Please listen. Sir, government school or highest government school or private school, now only is, I shared my suggestion. It doesn't matter with all the students do not have to have gadgets. The only thing is we as facilitators can share our gadgets. It is possible if we have interest. If you have Android phone, you allow the people to use voice recorder. You collect all assignments through your own voice recorder in single period of your English period. In classroom itself, you can collect the audio assignments. Afterwards, you create your own account. In your account of Gmail in SoundCloud. In SoundCloud, you can upload all the assignments of the kids with their names. Please listen to the audio. Now let me show you how to upload. Venkateshwara sir has sent message to me. So please don't interrupt with the messages. I'm going to show you. Already I created SoundCloud.com account. I verified, I activated my account in Google. I have collected assignments. See, there is one such student did not have any gadget from a very backward economical background. So he didn't know about the gadgets, SoundCloud. I called him to the department. I gave him the gadget, asked him to speak. I gave him 2 days time for a topic. Before that, I told him how to read with the proper voice modulation. So when assignment is given in such a way, they make an attempt. After 2 days, he came to my department, started to record in my own mobile. See here, I have clicked here, upload. Choose files to upload, private or public. I'm going to use public. So I have 2 assignments here. One is Atish Karthik. Now I upload Atish Karthik. See how long it takes. Atish Karthik VBJ. So this is the credibility. Now Atish Karthik is not using SoundCloud. So this is the one important tip I shall help you. One professor asked me now question how this tool will be helpful for government students. You collect audio assignments. If they do not have gadgets, you provide gadgets. Allow them to speak from a newspaper. You ask them to read one single report from newspaper. Please record. They will enjoy your class. None will bunk the class. Okay. Atish Karthik is completed, uploaded. I'm going to save here. Yes. Now let me click Atish Karthik. See here, the link is created. Let me copy. Let me copy the link. Going to the track of Atish Karthik. Let me copy the link and post again in chat box. Now you can click. Just listen for another 10 seconds. See, in front of you, I collected. Welcome back. So this is technology. This is ICT. So ICT Zoom is facilitating us to join again and again. Third time we are joining. I have shared the link in a chat box. Let me share again. Please listen to the audio. So I do not have student in front of me. Just I called the student to my department. I provided my own gadget. It was recorded in the department. Now I have uploaded. So we are the facilitators. Now we are the facilitators. See here, I have mentioned Atish Karthik name with the class. Similarly, you type Ramesh 6th C, Savita 7th A section. Similarly, you can facilitate. So when we facilitate children, they really enjoy. By the way, we can improve LSRW skills. I hope you have listened. Now we shall move to Padlet. How does it works? How does it work? We shall see. Okay, I hope you have listened. I close this soundcloud.com. I type now I type the fourth ICT tool here, Padlet.com. We can use a free version. We can use a free version. If you create your own e-content, if you avail leave for a particular day, if you happen to make a work arrangement, you please read your topic, give explanation in a audio file. Please upload your audio file in Padlet account, your own Padlet account. Very important. Before introducing all these ICT tools to your students, you have to create your own account. That is very important. It will be highly helpful when you avail leave. So instead of wandering to look for people for work arrangement, you please read a poem, give explanation, summary, provide a vocabulary, record as an audio assignment, and upload in Padlet. So in Padlet, I created account using Gmail. I have signed in my account. So I'm going to going to give you a demo how to create a Padlet. So there is a symbol, make a Padlet. Make a Padlet. If you have scribble pad, please click make a Padlet. So it will show you a lot of themes. I'm going to click here. I'm going to choose the map. Okay, I choose map. So it is loading now. How amazing. So I have no technical knowledge now. I have no technical knowledge now. My theme is here. Now my task is I have to give name. So this is the theme. Click next. Start posting. Click next. Start posting. And go to settings. Settings here it is named as modify. I type assignment 1. Atish Karthik. And I save. It is saving. I come here now. I come back. So come to this pen symbol, add post. See, lot of things it will ask you. Okay, create plus. Okay, location it is asking. It is asking, giving me another option. So I choose my next. I choose another theme here. Since it is map, it does not allow me. I create another Padlet. The map is asking a lot of information. So I use a simple theme. I use a simple theme. If I go with map, it will be disturbing us a lot. It will take time, too much of time. So see here the click post. Click. So if I have chosen the plus button here, see it is asking title. Now it is useful for all the people. Assignment 1 of Atish Karthik. Going to upload the assignment. Imagine he is a student from a rural background. The same assignment I have uploaded. It is saving. Meanwhile, I'm going to teach. I'm going to avail leave tomorrow. Imagine I am a teacher going to avail leave tomorrow. I have to teach Ode to the West Wind poem. Ode to the West Wind poem. See here. So how ICT tool helps me. Ode to the West Wind poem. Yes, I am going to. Yes, I'm going to collect this from this website. Okay. Okay. So this assignment is you can drag here like this. You can drag. You can move like this. This assignment is posted. Add your assignment. Now I'm going to post English poem 5th period for 8th D section. Ode to the West Wind. Instruction to the students. Dear all, please listen to the it is informed to all of you that read the poem Ode to the West Wind and mark hard words using pencil. Okay. If you are availing leave, you can record your assignment. You can read the poem. Go to the West Wind, submit assignment as a submit your audio file here like this. So I'm going to provide this. Go to the West Wind blog. Okay. Now my Padlet is completed. Two things I have added. I'm going to add now again Google. Going to address public speech. Same go to the West Wind. Go to the West Wind poem video. So if I avail leave, I can engage my children with this e-content. Yeah, this is the poem. So here, I come to Padlet now. The same procedure. I click. Fifth period. Go to the West Wind. Dear all, listen to the poem and its summary. Take notes in your classwork. So for doing this task, even you can assign a non-teaching member or lab technician. Here I share the link box. I type. Okay. So my job is over. One is audio, one is text, and the other one is video. Now I copy my padlet.com. I come back again to chat box. I come back again to chat box. I have posted now. Now I close my Padlet. You please open the Padlet. I have shared the link. Copy and open. If it is not opening here, please open in your new browser. You will be enjoying. See, faculty no need to worry about availing leave. Though you avail leave, you engage your children. You can send even non-teaching faculty from your language lab. No need to bother about availing leave. So ICT tool, the technology is facilitating all the teachers. Please open and check. Are you able to see all the three Padlets? Please say yes. If you are able to view all the three Padlets, please type yes. Ravi Kumar sir, I will share the PPT. No problem. Yeah, very good. See, I did no magic. Now. Ravi Kumar sir, I will share the PPT. No problem. I shall share now. Oh, why do you ask me again and again? I shall share now. No problem. But I share it in the form of a PDF because I have spent a lot of 10 and above hours. So meanwhile, you listen, watch the Padlet. I shall share. If I share now, people will leave. It's the drawback of webinars. Ravi Kumar sir, I have shared it to you. I hope let me share it to all. Since he answered, it is shared to him. I have shared the webinar presentation to all of you. It is loading in PDF format. It's loading now. I go to share screen again. Yeah. Have you all received? Yeah, Aragya Raj sir is saying laptop is more comfortable than mobile phone. No, sir. You can go ahead for SoundCloud and parallel with the mobile itself. No problem at all. You will enjoy. Our task is recording, voice recorder. Padlet is app is available. SoundCloud app is available. You can install to record your notes, upload easy, like you share in WhatsApp. Thank you. We shall go ahead. I shall continue the presentation. So I use mobile only. I use mobile, my gadget. I use mobile only. Okay, this slide. People keep on typing questions. Okay. Your questions, sir. My presentation is over. Your questions. No problem. Problem with the screen size is not a problem, sir. It is not a problem. Vittal Rao, sir, if we find problems, for problem will always exist. Okay, I shall continue. So I'm going to continue with the suggestions. Etiquettes for teachers. Etiquettes for teachers. Please don't give commands. Usually, English language teachers will be having a maintaining cordial relationship with the students. Please don't give commands to your kids. If they are given instructions clearly, they will follow our commands. They will do all assignments. And please don't stop dictating notes in the classroom. If you are assigning audio assignments, so if 10 students are availing leave, other students will not inform. So it is our job. We have to inform all the students. Please write in Blackboard or share through Google Classroom or Edmodo or WhatsApp if you have any group. And one important tip I can share here is to reduce your stress. So when I use above 40 ICT tools, it increased my stress. So please set a due date for every individual class. Allow them to complete and submit audio assignments within 10 days. For one class, 10 days, another class, 15 days, third class, 7 days. So don't allow them beyond 10 days or 7 or 15. So it will be easy for your proper documentation in your Gmail. So instruct students step-by-step procedures like I shared here. Prepare a list of instructions and write on the board also. Take a snap, share in Google Classroom, your WhatsApp, your Edmodo, in Zoom, and share the online assignment and information through all these platforms. And set a due date of submission for each and every class separately. Otherwise, you will be panic how to segregate all these assignments, who sent from which class. Agenda 6, suggestions. Suggestions to use ICT tools, it requires individuals interest, the faculty's interest, students' interest. It needs patience. Why should I use ICT tool? Or should I have mobile phone? If we come out with a lot of barriers, nothing can be achievable. When we start practicing regularly, it is highly user-friendly. ICT tools are user-friendly. Please know the nuances. Don't find lame excuses. Don't think of barriers always. Please remember learn, unlearn, relearn. So if I completed my PG, UG in literature, I don't teach literature now. So we keep on moving. Since I'm in university, I keep on moving, teaching career development skills, soft skills, business communication, academic writing, technical communication, speech communication, including literature subjects. Please, we need to remember this only one motto: learn, unlearn, relearn. Daily, in our daily life, we learn. The next day, we unlearn, we use another tool. The third day, we relearn. So this is the life. In life also, we need to cope up with the three words: learn, unlearn, relearn. It is an experience. It continues. Please develop personal interest. If you are sharing any videos to the kids, please you watch personally before sharing. And motivate yourself and motivate your students also. Motivation is very important. Why should we learn? Why should we unlearn? And why should we relearn as teachers? For sustainable employability. ICT tools provide sustainable employability. By the way, we collect audio online assignments. We use ICT tools. It will be helping us for easy e-documentation. You no need to load with the paperwork in your department. Later it will become a dust. And what we have to do, please categorize the task. I'm categorizing the 4 tasks. It is please stop traditional teaching. And traditional teaching is reading text in the classroom. Please stop dictating the notes. Please stop reading text in the classroom. To prepare your audio, go with your mobile. Please collect your students to the language lab. Your same audio shall be played there with the projector. Or else you go with your mobile phone to the classroom in government schools, play the button. Instead of watching your face, they will listen. And pass a regular test. It is a painful evaluation. Don't ask them to mug up and write the poem they will copy. Ask them to submit audio assignments. And repeating the above 2 process, the same. Don't do. Please stop. Please pass. People are raising hand. I'll be back later after the slides. And continue finding alternative sources. Please spend time to learn new ICT tools. Go eco-friendly. And speed up learning technology. I have introduced 4 ICT tools. You identify which tools will be probably applicable in your teaching learning strategy and incorporate them in your teaching learning process. I hope this session will be somewhat useful for you also. So our next move, what we have to do after this webinar, start using ICT tools, identify and choose very carefully the relevant ICT tools, facilitate students and give them instructions, the same instruction I'm giving. Enrich your teaching methodology. By the way, we can enrich the listening, speaking, reading and writing skills of our students. So the conclusion is, think of ICT tools, identify them, teach them, ask your students to apply, share your ideas with your colleagues and others, practice, practice, practice. You please take a snapshot before that we shall come back. Vittal sir is asking teaching grammar with ICT tools in next session. Okay, sir, if time permits, for the next 1 week, I have continuous webinars. If time permits, I shall inform Ravi Kumar Kola sir. Okay, so think of ICT tools, And when we think of ICT tools, definitely we have to practice continuously. With this, my session is over. The final slide, which is for the title, the must. Stage 1, when we go with traditional teaching and learning, students lack interest. Of course, I hope you all will accept. When we start utilizing ICT tools, it is bridging what we expect from students. So this is the gap we maintain from traditional to the application oriented. When we use application oriented, if you wish to make them to speak out, please use ICT nowadays. So by the way, enrich students LSRW skills through ICT tools. I have covered the webinar topic here. So ICT tool acts as a bridge between faculty and students. And now I shall answer to your questions. This is my number, email ID, my YouTube channel. See, once I do everything, I post over here. My future webinars will be posted in Telegram channel only. See Priya's webinar. Or else I shall inform Dr. Ravikumar Kola sir. If you are organizing any webinars for your institution, you can contact me through this email ID. By this way, only Ravikumar sir caught me for presenting, addressing you all people today. Okay, now I check your chat box. Sir, even in your Telegram link, I share with Ravikumar Kola sir, Dr. Ravikumar Kola sir. Thank you. Thank you all. I shall share. Diksha Misra, we can find my older webinar in Global English Grammar YouTube channel. I share my presentation, Telegram link to Ravikumar Kola sir. I say, well, just a second, I mute everyone now. As requested. Stop sharing. Okay, you can speak. We shall have a discussion for another 2-3 minutes.
Okay, madam.
Was the session useful to you?
On behalf of ELTA Telangana, we are very much thankful.
Ravikumar Kola sir, Dr. Ravikumar Kola sir, hope I have met out your expectations. I have unmuted all.
Request now our state treasurer, Dr. Srinivas Reddy, who is a
Ravikumar Kola
psychologist,
sir.
writer, some reflections. Srinivas Reddy, sir. Srinivas Reddy, sir.
Any feedback from your side, from participant side?
Sir, Steve Rao, sir.
Yeah. Ma'am.
Diksha Misra, I shall conduct next
State
webinar.
President, madam.
Okay,
T. Venkateshwar Rao, State President, ELTA Telangana.
Sir, thank you.
Speak.
I have to thank you all
of you
personally
mute
for
your
spending your valuable
audios.
time. I hope I have shared just 4 tools. They will be really saving your time, especially during your emergency period of availing leave.
Sir, you go on speaking. T. Rao, sir.
We are implementing all these tools to
All are
students.
discussed.
The technology
Excuse me, ma'am. All of you, please. I request all the participants.
Yes.
Your audios.
Waiting for question.
Madam, this is Venkateshwar Rao, President ELTA Telangana.
Feedback. After spending about 10 hours to prepare this PPT, now I feel glad to receive your feedback. Thank you all.
Let us take a snap.
Dr. Ravikumar Kola sir is here.
Excuse me. Hello.
Okay, shall we end the session? Ravikumar Kola sir, shall we end the session?
Madam, just a wait. I am taking a snap.
Share the feedback form to Ravi Kumar Kola sir. Please give your feedback.
Madam,
Thank you
madam,
all. Thank you for your spending
madam,
valuable time.
please.
How to collect your old webinars? Dr. Elta Raju sir is asking. In Google and YouTube, I have shared my webinar sessions. The channel Global English Grammar. I have shared. Channel name Global English Grammar. I have shared my previous webinars. Yeah,
Sure, sir, you
I
say
have
the-
used the.
Oh, sir, you say the
For you
concluding
people,
lines.
I hope these tools are enough. I
This
shall
is
share
Venkateshwara,
Global
President,
English
Delta,
Grammar
Telangana.
YouTube link to Ravi Kumar sir.
Can you hear me,
Shall
madam?
we end the
Can you
session,
hear
sir?
me?
Ravi Kumar sir is missing. Where can he go?
I'm there.
Madam.
Naganai sir.
They're here,
Kumar
madam.
sir.
Thank you very much. Now our president is going to say thanks. What are thanks? Hello, sir,
Okay,
please.
thank you all. Thank you for spending. I shall speak personally.
Madam, good evening.
I
This
shall
is
get back,
Venkateshwara, President,
Dr.
Delta,
Ravi Kumar Kola,
Telangana.
sir. Thanks for spending your valuable time with me. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you very much for spending your valuable time and